Hello guys, welcome to Create Gaming and Tech. This is Vijay. So today in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of the technology. Let's get it out of the package. And you have the important thing, which is the bill. Let's keep it aside. And we have got the phone itself. Let's take the plastic that is taking the plastic off and cutting open the seal with my trusty unboxing tool. And this is really tight packaging, so you need some time, just like Xiaomi, to open box. Opening it up, we have got the phone itself, and charger fell out, which is a poor packaging from Tenor. The phone is really slippery and you have got the good texture there. And we have the documentation over here, which is the user manual and the warranty guide. And this is charger, which is not a fast charger. This is just a 5V 2A charger, just like the Xiaomi ones. Keeping it aside, we have got the micro USB cable, which is not rugged and all. It's just a basic thing. Then we have got the SIM ejector pin, which is the basic thing which we all might be having in this generation. Let's quickly turn on the phone. This is the first boot. By the time it boots up, let's take a look at the Tenor logo and the physical overview. To the down, we have the three non-capacitive keys, the sensors, the front camera, earpiece. Back we have the Tenor logo branding, the dual rear cameras and the fingerprint sensor. This is how it looks like. And by the time it booted up, it's asking for the Amazon account, which makes us sure that this is the Amazon smartphone, just like the built-in Capture Plus by the Flipkart. After setting it up, this is how it feels. You need to go all the way up and slide for the notification bar. And we have got the system update also. This is the security patch which is available, and there are some apps getting updated. So let's quickly get into the settings. You do not get NFC in this. It's running in the Android 7.1.2, which is Android Nougat. Now you can see the Amazon and Google account, so which makes us sure that this is the Amazon smart. Now let's quickly set up the pattern or pin security and get the speed of the fingerprint sensor. Also the Face ID, as this become a trend now. As you can see, it's not recognizing me with my spectacles on, nor do my phone. Now without the spectacles, it's getting recognized. Let's try the spectacles on again. Now it's not getting recognized. Now it is getting recognized. Okay, after setting it up, now let's check the speed of both. This is the speed of the fingerprint sensor. With the display off, it's asking for the pattern. You'll be asking for the pin or pattern for a number of times until it gets satisfied. Now that was the Face ID. Face unlock is also really quick. That's the Face ID. Look, it's really fast. Yeah, fingerprint sensor also is not that fast, and it does not work all the time. It works 95%. That was the speed of the fingerprint sensor. Yeah, it's not that fast, but okay, comparatively faster than other phones. Let's check out the camera. This was the selfie and the 16 megapixel camera. Those are the portrait shots. It produces really good portrait shots, but the defect is on a 4:3 ratio, not the 16:9. That's all, friends. This will say signing off from 3D Take care.